This hypnotic strategy took my clients from scarcity to abundance. In our previous video, I outlined the emotional trio that can lead to our downfall in life, which is fear, trust, and anger. I detailed the consequences if not dealt with correctly. In this video, I will go down the path of, are you focused on scarcity or abundance? By the end of this video, you will have the exact strategies I use to develop my clients' strategies to have abundance in life and overcome personal and business challenges. In the realm of self-development, your mindset can be your greatest asset or your biggest obstacle. One of the most profound shifts you can make is moving from scarcity mindset to an abundant mindset. But what does that mean, and how can you make this transformation? Let's explore. What is a scarcity mindset? A scarcity mindset means seeing the world as a place of limited resources. This manifests as constant worries about insufficient money, time, opportunities, or love. People with a scarcity mindset often feel anxiety, competition, and fear. This perspective can lead to poor decision-making, stress, and a general sense of dissatisfaction. Signs you have a scarcity mindset: constant worry about not having enough, fear of missing out, FOMO, leads to rash decisions, reluctance to share resources or knowledge, comparing yourself to others constantly, difficulty taking risks due to fear of failure. What is an abundant mindset? On the other hand, an abundant mindset is the belief that there are plenty of resources to go around. It's about focusing on what you have rather than what you lack. This shift in thinking allows for greater creativity, generosity, and a sense of peace. Benefits of an abundant mindset: improve mental health due to reduced stress and anxiety. Better decision-making is driven by long-term goals rather than immediate fears. Greater success because you're open to opportunities and collaborations. Enhance relationships through generosity and trust. Increase happiness by focusing on gratitude and possibilities. How to shift from scarcity to abundance. Changing your mindset is a process. It takes time and conscious effort. Here are 6 steps to help you transition. 1. Practice gratitude. Start each day by writing down 3 things that you're grateful for. This helps shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have. 2. Reframe challenges. Instead of seeing challenges as insurmountable obstacles, view them as opportunities for growth. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with positive people who have an abundant mindset. Their positive energy and outlook can be contagious. 4. Give more, whether it's your time, money, or knowledge. Giving to others can reinforce the idea that there's plenty to go around. It makes you feel good. 5. Invest in yourself. Continually seek personal and professional development opportunities. The more skills and knowledge you acquire, the more resources you'll feel you have at your disposal. 6, visualize success. Spend time each day visualizing what success looks like for you. Imagine yourself achieving your goal and relishing in the accomplishment and abundance. By focusing on an abundance mindset, you enrich your own life and contribute positivity to the lives of others, those around you. Remember, Abundance is a choice, and it begins with you. Choose abundance and watch how it transforms your world. So let's start our journey towards an abundant and fulfilling life now. Remember, the road to abundance begins with a single step. Are you ready? Let's go. Start your journey to abundance today. I will see you on the other side of abundance. Stay positive, stay grateful, and keep moving towards your dreams. You've got this. Keep believing in abundance. Keep taking action towards your goals. With every step, you'll see that there is indeed enough for everyone. And remember, true wealth comes from within, not external resources. So if you're ready to embrace an abundant mindset, take control of your thoughts and start seeing the world through the lens of abundance. It's time to unlock your potential and live a life of abundance. Start your journey today. Start your journey to abundance today. And remember, your choice is scarcity or abundance. Choose wisely and enjoy the limitless possibilities that come with an abundant mindset. Don't wait any longer. Start living an abundant life now. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe as I continue this series. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. And until next time, keep spreading those positive energies.